Welcome to our guide on optimizing your Microsoft Azure resources for efficiency and cost-effectiveness. As Jacob Saunders of Atmosera reminds us, there's a lot that Azure can do, but you need to be careful not to oversaturate your resources. This guide is divided into 3 parts, focusing on assessment, optimization, and reevaluation. Part 1. Assessment. Regular assessments of your operations can pinpoint improvement areas, ensuring your resources align with your business needs and the dynamic cloud computing landscape. Check your virtual machines and app services to ensure they're correctly sized for your needs. Part 2. Optimization. Implement policies for data lifecycle management to reduce costs and optimize data storage. Minimize latency and maximize throughput using Azure's CDN and traffic management solutions. You should also monitor resource usage and spending to eliminate unnecessary costs. Part 3. Reevaluation. As your business and technology evolve, so should your Azure strategy. Stay informed about Azure updates and broader tech trends, such as artificial intelligence or IoT, to keep your Azure infrastructure competitive. By following these steps, you can ensure your Azure environment is not only more efficient and cost-effective, but also primed for future growth and technological advancements. For those who find regular optimization challenging due to resource or skill constraints, professional managed Azure services like those offered by Atmosera can provide the necessary support to enhance your cloud operations efficiently.